Day 2. Mix it all over my face. Ooh, it burns. Ooh, it burns. Ooh, it burns. Ooh. What's the ingredients of this?
Turmeric.
What's the purpose?
Take out your impurities, clear your pores, whiten your face. Right across. Forehead doesn't have enough, look.
My bad. Jeez. Sorry guys, my instruction is a little bit strict.
You missed this T-zone. Get more.
In my eye. In my eye. Okay, that's it.
Okay, can I see this? Can I see this?
Oh god.
Like right here on your nose.
So how long do I wait for?
10 to 30 minutes.
30 minutes? It has been a good 10 minutes and it's so dry, y'all. Alright. 20 minutes. Whew. Alright, what's next? Under my eye. I don't even know what this is. I like it. The way it looks is so smooth and soft, you know?